Zeke's got his new toy. We got this at IKEA last weekend. No, you can't have a video camera. He's tired. Are you ready for a nap? Go get in your tunnel. Yeah, go get in your tunnel. He's almost 18 months. It's October 30th. Gonna go in the tunnel? Hi, Zeke. We might catch some crack if we're looking. Hey, kiddo. Here, look. Get the ball. Don't touch. Go get the ball. Look. Go get the ball. Zeke, you see the ball? You see the ball? No, not the video camera. No. Ball. Good job. He needs a haircut. Gonna play with baby wipes? And some tissue? Thank you. No. Here you go. Yeah. I love you.